Hello everyone, welcome to our video Billions of Berries Picked by Skilled Farm Workers. Today we are at a beautiful strawberry farm in the U.S. state of California. In this video, we'll take you through the fascinating process of how these farms cultivate and harvest billions of strawberries each year. We are currently in the seedling preparation area of the farm. Here, the best strawberry roots are selected by experienced farmers to be planted in the official fields. This selection process is very important because it ensures that only the healthiest plants, with the best growth and development potential, are chosen for planting. Thanks to this process, we can ensure that each strawberry plant will have the potential to grow vigorously and yield high productivity. While this is happening, other workers are busy preparing the soil and raising the beds to ensure they are ready to welcome the thousands of strawberry plants that will soon arrive. The dedication and skill of these farm workers are what make California's strawberry farms some of the most productive in the world. Stay tuned to see how these delicious berries make their journey from the farm to your table. As of 2021, California boasts an impressive 37,000 acres dedicated to strawberry cultivation, with 2/3 of this area concentrated in the Santa Maria region. Inside the meticulous preparation zones, thousands of strawberry plants are primed and ready for planting. Mid-August marks the peak planting season across many Californian farms. Remarkably, California produces over 10 different varieties of strawberries, each with unique planting and harvesting schedules. Regardless of the time of year, whenever you visit California, you can experience the state's rich and diverse strawberry industry in action. In addition to traditional root planting methods, people in California also utilize machines to plant strawberries. After selecting the seedlings, the planting process begins. Modern technology has transformed traditional planting methods, making them more efficient and precise. Automatic planting machines are used to drill holes at optimal depths and distances. Farmers then place the seedlings into the pre-made holes, ensuring uniform growth and maximizing land use. With the integration of these machines, farmers can plant thousands of seedlings per hour, significantly reducing labor costs and increasing productivity. In California, strawberries are a year-round delight, thanks to the tireless efforts of skilled farm workers. After planting, these dedicated workers install advanced watering systems to ensure each strawberry plant gets the hydration it needs. On average, each plant requires about 2 inches of water daily, especially during the critical fruiting season. California's diverse climate allows for multiple strawberry varieties to thrive, with most taking approximately 60 to 90 days to bloom. When the flowers bloom, millions of honeybees will be transported here to perform their crucial role in pollinating the fruit trees. These industrious bees are the unsung heroes, providing essential pollination services that support the farm's productivity. As the strawberries ripen, a new harvest season is on the horizon. Annually, around 55,000 workers, predominantly from Mexico, converge on California's strawberry farms. Their wages are determined by the number of boxes of strawberries they pick, with the average worker earning approximately $15 per hour according to recent statistics. They are equipped with baskets and the necessary tools to carefully pick the ripe strawberries, ensuring that the fruits are not bruised. The strawberries are placed in containers to be transported to packing facilities, where they are sorted, packed, and shipped to markets nationwide. There, the strawberries are sorted, cleaned, and packaged before being shipped to stores and supermarkets across the United States. This process requires meticulous attention to detail and precision, as strawberries are delicate and easily perishable. Therefore, quick harvesting and transportation are crucial to ensure the quality of the strawberries when they reach consumers. Released in 2021, California's strawberry production reached an impressive 1.1 million tons, accounting for 91% of the nation's total strawberry output. This robust industry generates an annual revenue of $2.1 billion. Remarkably, even during rainy conditions, the strawberry harvest continues uninterrupted at these farms. These activities mark the final stages of the strawberry growing season. As of 2023, California's strawberry production saw a slight increase to 1.15 million tons, maintaining its dominance in the U.S. market with 92% of the total production. The industry's revenue also grew, reaching $2.3 billion per year. Early 2024 forecasts predict continued growth, with advancements in farming techniques and resilient crop varieties ensuring steady harvests regardless of weather challenges. The fields will be cleared soon, and in about 2 weeks, a fresh crop will begin to flourish. How do you feel about the cultivation and harvesting process of strawberries showcased in this video? Share your thoughts in the comments section below. Thank you for watching. We hope you enjoyed this glimpse into strawberry farming. Stay tuned for our next video where we'll dive deeper into the fascinating world of agriculture. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you won't miss it. Thank you for joining us, and see you on our next exciting journey